Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, it is not very easy for the commerce stream students to choose any college for further studies. As they are well focused on their future, they will definitely want to get admitted in a reputed BBA college. Well, many of them want to know about which college is best for their further studies and how much marks can lead them to a good BBA college. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, eligibility criteria, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as pharmacist, air hostess, detective, software engineer, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies or the SSCBS in New Delhi. Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies is one of the premier institutions of the University of Delhi, imparting education in the fields of management and information technology with excellence and vision. It was established in August 1987 by the Delhi administration on the initiation of UGC and the Ministry of Human Resources. The vision behind the college was of its first principal, Dr. S.S. Gulshan. When the college was established, it was named as College of Business Studies. But later the college was rechristened as Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies in 1997 to pay homage to Indian revolutionary Sukhdev Thapar, who along with Bhagat Singh and Sivaram Rajguru became part of independence folklore for their sacrifice. Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies or CBS, as it is better known in corporate circles, was the first undergraduate management school under the aegis of the University of Delhi. In 1987, when the college was started, it offered only one course, that is BBS or the Bachelor of Business Studies. But with the growing demand in 1991, the College of Business Studies became the first college in Delhi University to adopt the semester system for its BBA course. After 19 years, the semester system was then implemented in all courses across the university in 2010. In 1999, the college became the only college in the country to offer the BFIA program, a core finance-based program spread over 6 semesters. BSc Computer Science has been converted into a BTech degree. Up till 2012, the college also offered a postgraduate diploma course in computer application or the PGDCA, which has since then been discontinued. From this year, the college also began with PMS course. Among the many things that set SSCBS apart, the college societies and the involvement of students in extracurricular activities is ranked very high. With over 30 societies, CBS has a society for almost every area of interest and also for those who have no interests at all. Next, we will have a look at this college's infrastructural facilities. Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies library has a collection of 19,498 books. In addition, the library subscribes to 51 magazines and journals of national and international repute and 13 national and business newspapers. The library has an institutional membership of Telnet, the Developing Library Network, and Enlist, the National Library and Information Services infrastructure for scholarly content. Most importantly, all college library activities have been automated using the complete modern web-based open source solution that is Koha, internationally renowned integrated library management system. Other available facilities are computer labs, cafeteria, sports complex, Wi-Fi campus, shuttle service, auditorium, music room, dance room and hostel facilities. The college has an in-house incubation center, SSCBS Innovation and Incubation Foundation, or the SIIF, which is an outcome of incubation policy from Government of NCT Delhi. Under this policy, initially 6 institutes from Delhi were selected to develop incubation center within the institute with an objective to provide a progressive and comprehensive platform to the entrepreneurs. It provides mentorship, networking opportunities, incubation and funding support to student entrepreneurs. SIIF works in close association with YUVA, the e-cell, to boost the entrepreneurial mindset among students. Members of YUVA, the college's entrepreneurship cell, have built a number of successful startups over the years, including Vadam Teas, which raised $11 million in Series C round funding, Holler, and Instago. The society operates Delhi University's first student-run co-working space and organizes various events like eSummit, Impact Week, and Investor Speech Day. The college has the Indian chapter of IFSA network, from which students have won case study competitions including the Harvard Global Case Competition. IFSA members are engaged with different finance events in India and abroad. Enactus SSCBS, the Social Entrepreneurship Society, won the 2017 Enactus World Cup and qualifying in the top 12 teams in World Water Race. It is currently working on 3 projects. Project Khidki, which aims to eliminate malnutrition from slum communities. Project Avya, which provides low-cost customized water purifiers to slum dwellers. And Project Prava, which aims to rectify indoor air pollution. 180 Degrees Consulting, Market, Career Development Cell are among other academic societies. Among cultural societies, the college has Verve, the Street Play Society, Dhwani, the Music Society, Fourth Wall Productions, the Dramatic Society, Blitz, the Dance Society, and others, winning a number of competitions and producing several actors and singers. Next, we will talk about this college's courses, eligibility criteria, and fees. Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Delhi, offers Bachelor of Business Administration or BBA in Financial and Investment Analysis, Bachelor of Management Studies or BMS, Bachelor of Science or BSc Honours in Computer Science, Postgraduate Diploma in Cyber Security and Law. Besides the bachelor degree courses and diploma course, it also offers various certificate courses on fintech, digital marketing, data analytics, financial modeling, and capital markets. For BMS, eligibility criteria is 10+2 with 60% plus DU JAT, and the fees is Rs 14,000 for the first year. For BSc Honours, eligibility criteria is only 10+2 and the fees for the first year is Rs 28,525. For PG Diploma, the fees is Rs 65,400, which is the total fees. The admission process for Bachelor of Management Studies or BMS and BBA in Financial Investment Analysis course is different and relatively more difficult from the regular cutoffs based on Class 12 results as followed in other colleges of the university. The Faculty of Management Studies or FMS undertakes the responsibility for admissions. Selection criteria for prospective students consist of number 1, an objective written test. The joint entrance test includes wide variety of questions on verbal skills, quantitative skills, logic, business knowledge, and current affairs. Number 2, marks scored in class 12th board exam. Percentage of best of 4 subjects including mathematics and English. The admission test is highly competitive with only 300 seats with 150 UR and 150 reserved category and a selection ratio of 1:150. The admission to the BSc Computer Science program is done solely on cutoffs based on class 12 performance. The cutoff of this college is comparatively very high for this course. In 2013, the website MBA Universe ranked SSCBS second best business management college in Asia and first in India at undergraduate level. The professional placements of its graduates and interns are maintained through a dedicated student team at the SSCBS Career Development Center. In 2019, 80 companies recruited at CBS. The highest packages offered to graduates of SSCBS are in excess of rupees 20 to 25 lakh, with average packages of over rupees 8 lakh. In addition, the college boasts of multiple alumni pursuing their post-graduation from top Indian institutions such as IIMs, ISB, FMS, SP Jain, TSC, and global institutions such as Harvard, LSE, Oxford, Yale, Wharton, and Columbia. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website, and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then,